Yeah, Priyanka, you can start the presentation.
Okay, so our project was the Baymax AI bot, and this was basically a friend, a doctor, and a bot rolled into one. And our mission with this bot was as I was like whether you need to have a chat or you just need medical advice, Baymax is there. And it was mainly built for those who don't have access to doctors, or when a doctor is just not there, having someone like Baymax could be extremely helpful. And now Carson is going to talk about our chat page.
This is our little mini model page. So let's say hello to Baymax. And he says hello back. So does anyone from the audience want to say anything? Okay. I enjoyed AI camp. No one wants to go to the Baymax. Okay, so that doesn't sound right, but that's probably because this is our small model and we can't fit like accuracy into here because that costs money. But you can also see that on our Discord.
So Abel is going to describe our Discord bot and talk about it.
Okay. Okay, so essentially, we made Discord bot. So instead of like using both AI, not just using one AI from one website, we could use it in the Discord bot also, which will be very interesting. And when we put it on a Discord bot, it is different from the chat box because of how it has a larger model, like a larger model, but it's not a large model. It's like a medium model, and that greatly make a difference because of how the context that the AI or like Baymax gets. It starts to see some accurate like response that he can respond to users' input. So from the gifts the gifts examples, it says I say hello, and he said hello, how are you doing today? So that was essentially I was like recording like what Baymax was saying to me when I was like talking to him. Now we could go to Discord, the actual Discord server, if Priyanka wants to take us there or somebody screen sharing.
Anthony is going to talk about demo our Discord bot.
Yeah, so this is a Discord server with the Baymax bot in it. I can first ask how his day is going. He says he's doing well, and I'll say I'm doing great. And he's happy that I'm having a good day. Does anybody else want to ask Baymax something? I hurt my foot. Okay, he's really sorry to hear it. Does pineapples belong on pizza? Oh, Baymax likes pineapple on pizza. So I think that's the end of the demo of the Discord bot.
Now Jacob is going to talk about our team.
Okay, so our team consists of Sophia, who worked on the code and website design, Abel, a memer, who's also a software developer who helped modify the style and information. Carson, the guy who knows everything, average New York pizza enjoyer. Priyanka, an incoming senior who helped work on the Baymax model and designed the website with HTML and CSS. We had Anthony, an incoming sophomore, and me, also an incoming sophomore. And then, of course, our great mentor, Liz, the supreme penguin of all the lands.
And now Sophia is going to talk about other information that we found.
Time and storage were some hurdles that we faced
and it prevented us from developing our model further. For instance, the server options that we had available couldn't train our larger data sets. The data sets that we used were the transcript of Big Hero 6 and a patient doctor dataset from Kaggle. The model that we chose was Diallo GPT, and we used that because it was a conversational response generation model. And then we used that to create our bot. Thanks for listening.